If you want to truly understand the health of your business, you need to know how to read financial statements. Also called your profit and loss, or P&L. Think of this as your business's report card. It's going to show you what you brought in revenue, what you've spent, what's gone out, and whether you made a profit or a loss over a specific period, like a month. Let me show you what this looks like inside LivePlan. You can see here we've got August of 2025, and I'm looking at that income statement or profit and loss. So I'm just gonna walk you through it real quick. I'm gonna show you, we see the revenue up here at the top, and this particular income statement also shows our forecast, really useful in LivePlan. But what you're looking at right now is that actual for August, total revenue. I can also see how that revenue was brought in. Camps and clinics, private coaches, etc., right? So we see that. Then we come in, and in this particular plan, there's no direct costs. Sometimes that happens, so that's great. We've got 100% profit margin for this kind of business. And then we see our operating expenses, $126,000. And you can see they are down there on the profit and loss in categories. So we've got salaries and wages, rent, insurance, travel, right? All of our expenses that we spent in that month of August. And the taxes and employee benefits, we get our operating income, our total expenses, and we can see in this income statement or P&L, our net profit is $75,000. August of 2025 for this business was very profitable. Things are in good shape. But I now understand revenue, and you can see I can collapse that revenue and just see that revenue, direct costs and what my margin is, and my operating expenses, so I get a really good sense of that report card. Now, if you want to create professional income statements like this for your own business and compare your actual results against your forecasts in real time, LivePlan makes it incredibly easy. Right now, you can get 50% off the first month of LivePlan using the link in the description below. It's the same tool I'm using right here to show you these statements, and it'll help you stay on top of your business finances. So what doesn't your P&L or income statement show? Well, it's not going to show you your on-hand cash, right? You don't see that anywhere on this in LivePlan, or if you went to QuickBooks or another accounting software, you're just not going to see that in your P&L. Your cash isn't there. It has nothing to do with your profits. It doesn't show you your liabilities and your assets, right? The debt you might have, and also the assets, the things that are worth money, right? And the income statement or P&L also doesn't tell you how stable the finances are day to day, right? It's just what's happening in that time period, which what I showed you was in 1 month. So it just shows in the month of August 2025, this particular business was actually pretty profitable. But I don't know what that means for next month. And maybe the last 6 months were not profitable at all, right? So like it only shows me what's happening today, but not what is my cash and what are my liabilities and my assets.